Hi, in this video, let's discuss some additional vaccines that are given in private hospitals which may not be covered in the regular government vaccination schedule. So we all know that the Indian government offers some mandatory vaccinations as a part of the mandatory government vaccination schedule that is offered in all public health centers, district hospitals, government hospitals, medical colleges, etc. So the standard vaccination schedule of the Indian government has most of the important vaccination. There are few additional or optional vaccinations that are offered in the private hospitals. Today I'm going to discuss about these. So these vaccinations within the first 1 year include influenza vaccination, typhoid vaccination, hepatitis A vaccination, and a brain fever preventing vaccination called meningococcal vaccination. And at 15 months, we also give the chickenpox vaccination. Now, the flu vaccination is for preventing influenza, and this is a seasonal viral infection that can cause sore throat, cold, cough, fever, sometimes loose motions also. This is given as 2 doses at 6 months and 7 months at a gap of 1 month. The other optional vaccination is typhoid. Typhoid conjugate vaccination is given to prevent enteric fever. You all know that this infection causes high fever, pain abdomen, loose motions and vomiting. This vaccination is to be given as a single dose between 6 to 9 months. Bodies recommend that a second dose may be considered optionally beyond the age of 2 years. The third vaccination which is considered as an optional vaccination is the meningococcal conjugate vaccine, which prevents a serious illness called as meningococcemia. This is a bacterial vaccination. This is a bacterial fever that involves the brain and can be quite severe and requires prolonged treatment and IV antibiotics. This vaccination is given either as 2 doses at 9 months and 12 months or can be given as a single shot straight away at the age of 2 years. We also offer sometimes a hepatitis A vaccination which prevents jaundice. And the fifth optional vaccine which is also offered is the chickenpox vaccination. This is given to prevent varicella or chickenpox. This is given as 2 doses at a gap of 3 months, usually offered at 15 months and 18 months. These are some optional vaccinations which are given in a young child before the age of 15 months over and above the regular vaccinations given by the government in the public health centers. Thank you.